And welcome back. Alright, so in today's video I want to show us how to use Pinterest. Now, as a fashion designer, everybody should know how to use Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is an app that helps give you inspiration, styles, show you pictures. Now, these pictures could be searched on the app or could be used. Your own personal picture could be used as well to search for related styles. So you have to go to your Play Store. Now when you go to your Play Store, you download Pinterest. Now it's been spelled as Pinterest, right? Pinterest. So I already have it, so let me just update it for you guys to see. So when you go to your Play Store, you install it in your phone and you also create an account with it. Now bear in mind, it's just to sign up with your email or Facebook or any other social media platform that you used in logging in your phone. So once you have achieved that, now you open it up. Hold on a bit. You open it. Please watch the video to the end and make sure you also like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment how impactful this video might have been to you. So you open the app, right? Pinterest. Now this will load. Remember, I have already created an account, so it will load. Now this Pinterest has a lot of styles in it. Now this is one of them for the men, right? For the men. So if you want to save this style, you have to click on the three dots here and then download image. It will download image. So once it has downloaded, you can now use it to show your customer, or you could as well scroll through to the whole images. Now if you have a picture that you have in your phone but you don't know how to maybe you want to have a different view of the picture, you want to search for it, okay, you could go here and type whatever be the picture you want. So let's just say male, okay, let's say trendy men senator outfits, right? Outfits. So once you type, you load it, it brings you out the trendy men senator outfit or anything you want to type, but just know how to give it the good prompts, right? So when you scroll through them, you can now tap on anyone you like and then you save it from that same three dots, like I told you guys, from that same three dots. So you click and download image. So now what if you have a picture in your phone already that you want to give it or have a different view? How do you go about it? So when you go to this point, now you click on the camera icon here, right? It opens your app. Then you click on your picture. Then if you want to search for any other related picture here, let's assume I want to search for this. So you select the picture, and once it loads, it will load and bring you related styles of that picture, and if not possible, the same style of that picture in different ways it was snapped. As long as the owner has different pictures of it, it will bring it out for you. So look, as you can see, these styles are related. Then you now keep on scrolling through to check for the appropriate one that you like. So as a fashion designer, you should know how to use this app in your search for styles, right? Because I have met most people, they are still buying catalog. Now I'm not against buying catalog, but to buy catalog is a waste of money. When you have Android phone with you, you could easily search for any picture of your choice. Even abstract images that are not fashion related, you could still get them on Pinterest. Now such images could be used and printed out as a wallpaper or as a screensaver in your phone. So whatever image, whatever you want to have on this app is available. It could give you insights. It even has video options where the videos are being played, right? So these things, the Pinterest app, it's a very nice app for almost every fashion designer to know how to use it. Now remember, in some years ago, I don't know how to use the app, but then when I started making researches and I learned the app, I saw the reason I should also teach us how to use this app. So if you find this video interesting, kindly like, comment and share, and tell me how impactful this video is for you, right? So this Pinterest will give you a very deep insight on trending styles, see how people's works are for most creators that upload their jobs on Pinterest. So an embodiment of catalog, a catalog that doesn't have expiration. It keeps on updating as the day goes. You could save as many as you want, as many as your phone can carry. So this is how it is. It has every style ever you are looking for. It also has female section, right? For some of my fans or followers who might like the female aspect, you could also give it a prompt that you bring out the female area, female, let's say Ashwebi, right? Ashwebi styles. Let's see what it gives us, right? So whatever you type, it has every picture you are looking for. So it's now left for you to create an account today with Pinterest. Please bear in mind that this is not a promotional advert for Pinterest, but rather for you to learn how to use Pinterest, to learn to have pictures of your styles without bothering on catalogs or buying or looking for where to get styles. Pinterest is a very handy app for almost everyone to make do with. So once you have downloaded the pictures, it goes straight to your gallery, and which you can now use it for your personal sampling to your customers. Alright guys, so I hope you do enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and also tell me where you are watching me from. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.